to another video of EC Cooking. Today we have a special guest. You may know her. She's my amazing grandma. She also is on Facebook, so you guys try to search her up and find her, please. Okay, so what are we going to be making today? We're going to be making M&M cookies. Okay, so the ingredients are M&Ms. Oh, look at those delicious M&Ms. Eggs, butter, pure vanilla extract, brown sugar, regular sugar, baking soda, salt, and of course, flour. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to take both of these sugars, add them in here very gently, just like that. Pat, 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 pat. Here, let me make it a little. Sorry about that. Okay, we all try our best. It's okay. And then after that, add the regular sugar. Awesome. So let's put her in there. Turn it on. Just like that. Awesome. So, now that we have creamed the sugar and the butter, we're going to now crack one egg. And then first we're going to lift it up. Just like that. Put it in there. And then after that, we're going to add some vanilla extract that has already been poured by my camera person. Wonderful camera person. Just like that. Oopsie. And now we're going to let my grandma say hi to y'all. Hi. Again. So now that we have done all these ingredients, we're going to mix it right up again. Just like that. And then my hands are a little dirty, so I'm just going to wipe them a little bit. And we're getting mixed in. Alrighty. So now that our sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract have been wonderfully blended, we're going to now add the dry ingredient. But before we add the dry ingredient, we're going to put it into this bowl and sift it up a little bit. Add the flour. Baking soda and salt. Now we're going to whisk it up a little. Just like that. Like so. Put this in there. Just like that. Oopsie. Just like that. Add all that flour in there. And get mixing again. Awesome. You want it really slowly so it doesn't poof in your face. Just like that. Perfect. You want it, you know, really slow. Like, just chilling around. Alrighty. Now, lift her up again. Just like so. Put her in. Don't you just feel it? Awesome! Alright, get rolling. And you mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Oh yeah, apple, so that means, yay, Grandma, we're almost done. Alright, so now we don't want the cookies to be, you know, like too big. We just want them to be, you know, uniform sized. So what you're going to do is you're going to scoop, scrape, just like that. And then you're going to release. And look how perfect that scoop looks. Now, I'm going to continue doing that. But you might need to put some more M&Ms on because when we were mixing it, the pedal kind of broke them up. So we're gonna need to do that. Just like that. 아빠, 이게 뭐야?
사이가 또지.
Like this. Bloop. Put a few on there, like maybe just like 3 or so. Okay, and then do them for the rest. We're gonna set it for 11 minutes. I'm sure I will totally enjoy this. And I hope you guys enjoy this video too. See you next time on EC Cooking.